Hello BPB, I'm Tobias with Teenage Engineering. This is our Pocket Operator Modular 400 kit. Let's just turn it on a bit. Here's the mixer. Let's see. And we got a square, saw, sine, 3 oscillators. We have LFO, filter, VCAs, envelopes. Right now it's being sequenced by the OBZ, and so this is basically our first plunge into the modular world. We're releasing the 16, which is this keyboard, the 170, which is the keyboard plus a few different modules, and then the 400, which is the big guy. And it's in the Pocket Operator spirit, so it's a self-contained battery-powered system that you can take on the road and make music wherever you want to. And it's a great way to start getting into modular. And we feel it's a lot of fun to explore, and we're really happy about it. The first batch of the 400 is sold out. The price is the price for the 16 is $149 US. The 170 is $349, and the 400 is $499. The next batch will come very shortly, and we're so thrilled about the reception of this. It's been amazing. And we're hoping you'll like it and have a lot of fun with it. So currently we sell all the modules in a kit. So with the 400 you get the full range of modules. In the future you'll be able to buy the individual modules and customize your own system. This is just an example that we put together, and which we feel is a great way to start. But the individual modules will be available in the future, and they will be very affordable. So the cheapest one will be starting at like 29 US or something, and then we keep the price down for those. And we also released the specs for the module. So if you want to go and make your own custom design or mount it in a Eurorack system, you can of course do that as well by making your own faceplates and customize the layout. So if I just right now, as I said, it's sequenced by the OBZ, which is so of course you can record all your changes here and have them sent over the module to the system. So this is the 16. It's a standalone keyboard compatible with this and your Eurorack system. So it's a 32-step sequencer with individual pitch per key here, and you can patch it up any way you want to. Clock it externally or use the internal clock.